My lord, I am allowed to move an urgent bail application, madam. This was listed on last occasion, madam. Since my name was not shown, I overlooked it. So, my lord, can it be taken up today itself,
Today not possible. Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
my lord?
Just 1 minute. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'm praying for listing of one bail application, lordship. He is behind the bar more than 42 days, lordship. 379 days.
When?
Lordship, day after tomorrow, all of
All right. Definitely.
oblast.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 22, my lord. CDS call for, but CD perhaps not received. My lord.
Item 22, CD not received.
They are on interim, my lord.
All right. Mr. P. Bhattakur, Learned Counsel, Learned APP Assam submits that the case that he has called for has not yet been received. Mr. Your name, please?
S. Rahman.
Mr. S. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that his client is on one single applicant.
No, two.
His clients are on interim bail. In view of the above, let this matter be listed again after the Bihu holidays. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Oblast.
Yes.
Civil.
Yes. Quick.
May I please, lordship, I beg to mention WBC number 8927
Go to the
29.
appropriate
Forward,
line.
lordship.
This is criminal bench today. See the cause list, yes.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a bail application, my lord, tomorrow if possible.
Wait, first listing,
Yes, my lord, tomorrow. Bless me.
yes. Yes, please.
Item 1.
My please, lordship.
Hmm.
In here, the petitioner, they were arrested on 2/22/2023, your lordship, for
Call for the case that it is Bongai.
lordship, yes, 42 days, your lordship, they are in custody and they are diver and helper, your lordship. They have no any.
12th April.
Yes.
Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Mr. P. Bhattakur, Learned APP Assam is present on behalf of the state. Call for the case diary fixing 12/4/2023. List him at record. Yes.
Item 14. Item 14.
Yes, who is appearing? Pass over for the time list.
Item 19.
19, my lord, case diary not received, man.
Interim bill there. None appears for the applicant. Mr. P. Bhattakur, Learned APP Assam submits that the case diary has not yet been received. In view of the above, let this matter be listed again after a week. So, huh?
BA, my lord, so BA, my lord.
Yes, after a week,
Yes.
after a week.
Item 20.
Yes, charge sheet has been submitted.
No, my lord.
No, you are supposed to obtain instruction.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
I have sent signal to update the case diary, my lord.
Hmm.
They stated that they unable to took the CD from the office, my lord.
Hmm.
And grant some time. They have asked for granting some time.
All right, none appears for the applicant. Mr. K.K. Das, Learned APP Assam prays for some more time to seek instruction as per the order dated 31/3/2023 passed by this court. In view of the above, let this matter be listed again on 11/4/2023 as a fixed item.
Item 21.
The petitioners are on interim bail. CD not available.
Mr. So-and-so for the applicant, Mr. K.K. Das, learned APPSM submits that if that he has not yet been received. In view of the above, let this matter be listed again after the Bihu holidays. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Item 23.
In this case also, my lord, CD not available.
Interim bail, no? Same order, MU Mondal. Same order.
Item 24.
24, my lord, case है.
Hmm?
30 distribution value. 30 bail application value. CD just call for me.
Yes, CD has been received.
CD receive, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR, case number 10, my lord. Banner case number 10. Yes, my lord, here case from the case diary, my lord, 164 statement is not available, but from 161 statement it revealed that while victim, my lord, she was coming from school, then my lord, the present accused person restrained her and asked her to love him. And thereafter, my lord, while she refused, then my lord, he threatened her that if you not love me, then I will have to, my lord, take you forcefully to my
Where
residence.
is the 164 statement?
164 statement is not available in the case diary. Only 161 statement is available.
Then. Let him, you get the 164 statement.
Yes.
You wait for some time. Yes, heard Mr.
Hey, Mandal.
A. Mondal and counsel for the applicant also heard Mr. P. Bhottakur learned APP Assam, who submits that case that he has been received but without the 164 statement of the victim girl. Full stop. In view of the above and on the request of Mr. Bhottakur, this matter stands adjourned for 1 week, 10 days,
Yes.
so as to enable him to obtain the case diary along with the 164 statement of the victim. List accordingly. Yes.
Item 25.
25 case diary.
Case diary received,
Yes.
but the applicant's counsel is not there. Where is the FIR?
FIR, my lord, at page 9, my lord. Page 11, my lord. Sorry, translated copy, page 11. Start from page 11.
So what is to be done? Applicant's counsel is absent.
Yes, otherwise from the my lord, FIR, it seems that it's the civil dispute between the.
None
Or
appears for the
any-
applicant. Mr. P. Bhottakur, learned APP Assam is present. And submits that the case diary has been received. This is an application under section 438 CRPC filed by the applicant seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending arrest in connection with dispute PS case number 261/2023. Registered under section so and so by the order dated 22/2023 passed by this court. Interim pre-arrest bail was granted to the applicant Full stop. From the perusal of the FIR, it prima facie appears that the dispute projected therein, the issue projected therein raises a civil dispute.
Yes.
After perusal of the case diary, I do not find any material therein so as to justify modification of the recall of the order dated 20/2/2023. As such, the order dated 20/2/2023 is hereby made absolute. AB stands disposal.
Item 26.
AB application stands disposal.
CD received, Lordship.
May I proceed? Under section Lordship 379 Lordship.
Where is the FIR?
Page number 7 Lordship.
No, this is anticipatory bail application.
Yes, Lordship.
Then it says the accused has been apprehended.
No, Lordship, actually, this petitioner, Lordship, as per one bail objection, Lordship, the FIR name accused person has been admitted that he stolen the cow
Hmm.
and sold it to Iqbal Hussain, and he sold to the no,
Hmm.
he's not arrested.
He is not the FIR named accused.
He's Habibur Rahman, Habibur Haq. He is not the FIR name. accused.
So what is the material? What cow has been recovered?
Lordship, Lordship, the FIR name accused, sold it to Iqbal Hussain, Lordship, then, and Iqbal Hussain sold it to one butcher, Habibur Rahman. And he, Lordship, then he slaughtered the cow, Lordship.
All right. Then law will take its own course. Why do you need custodial interrogation? Had Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the applicant, also had Ms. N. Das, learned APPSM appearing for the state. Then application under 430, etc. Mikir Veta PS case number 08/2023. Registered under section 379 of the IPC, etc. By the order dated 3/3/2023, interim bail, interim PS bail was granted. Ms. Das has produced the case diary. The applicant is not an FIR named accused, but it appears that the stolen cow was sold to one
Lordship.
Iqbal Hussain, from whom
Iqbal
the
Hussain.
applicant had purchased the same. First up. Save and accept the above, there is no other material against the applicant. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, I am of the view that the interim order dated 3/3/2023 deserves to be made absolute, ordered accordingly. AB application stands disposal. Yes.
27.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, 438 application, my lord, CD was called for.
CD available, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
My lord, page 23, my lord. And vernacular is page 27, my lord.
Yes, what is there in it?
My lord, the accused person, my lord, submitted, my lord, the medical reimbursement bill in the name of the informant and prepared all the documents.
and taken rupees 24,000 from the informant at first. But the document he submitted, those are fake documents, those are not on record as per the Superintendent GMCH Malad report, Malad, those are not on record, fake document. And Malad, subsequently, Malad, it was not given. Malad, before that, Malad, he was not known to the person, informant. He asked one villager whether there are any employee who has gone through a medical operation or all this. He said, yes, we have a one friend. Accordingly, he introduced and subsequently he Malad, taken rupees 24,000 from the informant and that medical. Malad, one thing is that Malad, yes, Malad, otherwise Malad does, but whether he is alone or there is a gang operating Malad, because several cases in such Malad, medical reimbursement.
No, but
bills are there.
there is no offense made out prima facie. There is no fake document available in the record.
No, Malad, those documents submitted along with the bill, those are not on record in the GMCH. That means that those are fake. Malad, investigation is still going on. GMCH authority.
Oh, he will record his statement. He will first record his statement. Then heard Mr. DJ Halil and counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed under section 438 CRPC, seeking pre-arrest bail apprehending arrest in connection with Belsar PS case number 2 of 2023, registered under section 468/420 of the IPC. Mr. KK Parasar, learned APP Assam has produced the case study and I have produced the same. So he himself is the victim. The informant.
Yes. Informant is the victim, but this is he is the middleman. Man. This petitioner is the middleman.
After perusal of the case diary, I do not find anything to justify custodial interrogation of the applicant in this case. However, for the sake of proper investigation of the matter, the applicant's cooperation will be necessary. As such, it is hereby ordered that in the event of arrest, the applicant shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 30,000 and one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject further to the condition that the applicant would appear before the IO within 2 weeks from today for recording his statement and shall not and shall render full cooperation with the investigation. First of the applicant shall also not leave the jurisdiction of the IO without prior intimation. Failure to comply with the above condition may lead to cancellation of the bail. AB application stands dismissed. You record his statement, then we'll see.
Obligement.
May I please, Lordship? 438 application, Lordship. My FI against me is at page number 13 and Bharnipula page is at page number 19. And I have also filed one
What
FI.
page, Daddy?
Yes.
FIR is at page
Is FI that against me is at page number 13, translated copy.
13.
1, Lordship.
Yes. So what, this is what defamation is? This is
Yes.
slander.
Yes,
And
Heard
regarding
Mr.
that
Bigova, yes.
misuse of this paid Malad, none of the organization has said that he has misused this paid.
And Mr. Bigova, S.
G.
Gogoi,
G Somua, Lordship.
G. Sonwal,
Somua,
Somoa.
CHAMUAH.
Okay, Mr. G. Somoa, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. KK Parasar, learned APP Assam appearing for the state. This application under section 438 of the CRPC has been filed seeking pre-arrest bail apprehending arrest in connection with Borhala PS case number 81/2022 registered under section 500/462/506/294 of the IPC. A perusal of the case diary indicates that there is no material to show that the applicant has used fake letterhead for for harassing the applicant. Moreover, the other allegations are at best matters
Of defamation.
of slander oblique defamation, for which custodial interrogation of the applicant is not slanderous, defamatory. Moreover, the other allegations at best would make out a case of slander, bracket defamation, for which custodial detention of the applicant would not be necessary. As such, it is hereby ordered that in the event of arrest, the applicant, etc., 20,000, one surety of life amount.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Item 29.
Me, please, Your Lordship. My Lordship. 438 application, FIR is at page 11, my Lord.
Is there receipt?
Yeah, my lord, please.
Yes, where is the FIR?
Page 11, my Lord. In vernacular is at page 13, my Lord. There is an allegation of theft, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. I am Neetu Banika.
Yes, what is that?
Yes, my lord, goat was found in the possession of a butcher, my lord, in a shop, slaughterhouse, my lord. The informant has stopped him to cut the goat, my lord, and he had asked, from where you have got this goat, my lord. The petitioner's name has been named, my lord. And he has also took that informant and he himself went to the house of the petitioner, my lord, and where he found with a my lord, scooter, which is named in the FIR, my lord, in that position, and he fled away, my lord.
But my Lord,
Yes, fled.
they came to my house and then only they came to know about the number of scooty, my Lord.
That's all right, but he ran away. He's guilty.
No, my Lord, that is allegation only. But in the relevant point of time, at that time, my Lord, at about 1 PM, that is the relevant point of time. I was present in this Devhati LP school to bring my daughter from the school, my Lord, who was appearing in the annual examination. And my Lord, the guardians of other students, my Lord, can, my Lord, give evidence in this regard, my Lord. And I have sold, my Lord, yes, I have sold 2 goats earlier before 2 days of my house, my Lord. That is, I have stated in my Lord, petition, my Lord.
No, but you have stolen the goat of the informant. That's what they say.
That is, my Lord, allegation. And
My Lord,
what happened?
one of the witnesses also seen him while taking the goat, my lord. He took the number, my lord. It is also there, my lord.
Then, my Lord,
No anticipatory bill. The goat may be a small thing, but it is after all a case of that. So and so for the applicant, so and so.
What has been recovered, my Lord?
Huh?
What has been recovered, that is seized, my Lord, that was it, and that goat was, my Lord, recovered and seized, my Lord, from that. my
Goat has been
business.
recovered.
The goat has been recovered from that
Along
butcher
with
shop,
forest.
but he was stopped he was about to cut. This informant was stopped then.
So then what do you want to find out from him? He will ask him to appear in
No, my
records.
lord, no. The
Huh?
material is there, my lord,
Hmm.
but my lord, goat is recovered.
Correct.
My lord.
So what do you want to do by custodial
My
interrogation?
not necessary.
Not necessary. So and so for the applicant, so and so, learned Epi Assam has appeared for this state. Don't steal others' goat. Huh? This application is filed under so and so, the preempting arrest, so and so, so and so, so and so. The allegation against the applicant is that he had stolen the goat of the informant and sold it to a butcher. However, it appears from the case diary that the goat has already been recovered. The applicant is denying his involvement in the incident. Be that as it may, the same is a matter of investigation. After going through the case diary, I am of the view that custodial interrogation of the applicant would not be necessary in this case. First of, as such, it is hereby provided that in the event of arrest, so and so, 20,000 one surety of like amount, subject further to the condition that within 3 weeks from today, the applicant will appear before the IO for recording his statement and shall render full cooperation with the investigation in the connected police case. Failure to comply with the above conditions may lead to cancellation of the bill. The application stands disposed of.
Item 30.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
The FIR at least 9, Lordship.
Yes.
Page 9.
Yes, you received the case diary.
My lord,
Kidnapping
yes.
of a minor.
Minor, no?
Hmm.
And your girl is not recovered.
Girl is still missing.
Lordship, three
Still
petitions
missing and may not, during the course of investigation, it has come to the light that the accused persons along with the girl is roaming roaming in the area of Bihar, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Kerala.
Lordship, three petitions before your lordship, two sons and father, and they are neighbors of the prime accused. They are not related with the prime accused, lordship.
Who
Two
are the
sons and
applicants?
father.
Who are the applicants? Who is the applicant number one?
Sakil Ahmed, he is the main person.
He is the
And
one.
Bobidul is helper,
Hmm.
helped him.
And
Nurul
who
Haq
is-
is also helper. Nurul Haq,
Hakil and Bobizul are two brothers, and petitioner number 3, Nurul Haq, is their fathers. And prime accused is Rafiqul Haq, who fled away with the minor girl. And they are lordship all along in village lordship. They are escaping from police, but they are in native place lordship.
Yeah, what is the material again? 1, 2, and 3?
What is the victim Nabalikar, Pohankar, Jinapura, Rafiqul Haq? Yes, one person was, yes, Nurul Haq statements were recorded.
What does it say?
Actually, Guwahati, he says, Rafiqul Haq, আমার একে গাঁৱৰ ৰাসমিন পাৰভিন নামৰ 16 বছৰীয়া নাবালিকা ছোৱালীলৈ পলাই যায় এই সম্পৰ্কে মই একো নাজানো this is his statement and Robidul Haq বহিৰাজ্যত কাম কৰি আছে he is working outside in Assam ক'ত থাকে মই নাজানো this is petition number 3
Lordship, this is the non-bailable offense, lordship. How this statement was recorded, we have no knowledge, lordship.
So then the anticipatory bail goes because he was not arrested. His statement was recorded, but police did not arrest him. So where is the basis to apprehend arrest here?
Lordship, we have no information about the statement record.
he is the Nurul Haq son of Zabir Ali petition number 3 is
So why are we apprehending arrest? Why? Show me the statement. What is the reason to apprehend arrest? Show me the statement.
There are 3, lordship. Police visited my house, lordship, and asked me to appear before the police station, lordship. Accordingly, lordship, we are apprehending. Since the case is non-bailable offense, lordship, accordingly, we are apprehending, lordship.
Let the
he
statement
was
be
allowed
recorded.
to go, my lord. He was allowed to go because nothing was found against him. That is why the IO allowed to go him.
Applicant 1.
That applicant number, petition number 3. Nurul
And
Haq.
what about 1 and 2?
1 and 2 is absconding. In spite of repeated efforts, my lord. And according to Nurul Haq itself, my lord, this petition number 3 statement, my lord, they
Then
are
withdraw this and file a separate petition for 1 and 2.
Lordship, yes, lordship, police.
I will either dismiss or allow. If I dismiss, then all other 2 will also go. It can't be partly allowed, partly dismissed. Petitioner number 3 does not need a bail. His statement has been recorded, police is allowed to go. So therefore, I'll
That may
dismiss.
be observed, lordship.
Huh?
We am withdrawing, lordship,
Hmm.
but that may be observed in respect of petition number 3.
So and so for the applicants, so and so Mr. Learned APP, Mr. D. Das Learned APP has produced the case diary, which goes to show that the statement of the applicant number 3, namely Nurul Haq, has already been recorded by the police and has been allowed to go. As such, the apprehension of arrest projected on behalf of respondent number 3 is totally unfounded in this case. At this stage, Mr. So-and-so submits that there are 2 other applicants who are apprehending arrest Mr. Das submits that those applicants are absconding. Be that as it may, on the request of Mr. A.T. Sarkar, learned counsel for the applicant, this bail petition is disposed of on withdrawal with liberty to the applicant numbers 1 and 2 to file afresh.
Obliged.
Item 31.
How many more matters?
May I please, your lordship? My lord, diary was called for, my lord.
Yes, case diary received, my lord.
FIR is page number 8.
Yes, what is there in the?
Yes, my lord, from the case diary, my lord, it reveals that, my lord, one Rashid Ali, my lord, who is named in the FIR, he is the son-in-law of the, my lord, complainant. And my lord, here the second wife of the complainant is also, my lord, involved, my lord, as per the statement of Rashid Ali. My lord, he stated that his mother-in-law provided all details of the ATM card to him, and thereafter he take a photo of the ATM card, and thereafter, my lord, he transmitted all those, my lord, details of the ATM card to the present accused Zinnat Ali. Then thereafter, my lord, Zinnat Ali asked the present accused also to provide the mobile SIM of the that mobile number which is linked to the bank. Then thereafter, my lord, Rashid Ali removed the, my lord, SIM of that of the, my lord, complainant's mobile. Thereafter provided to Zinnat Ali, and thereafter, my lord, Zinnat Ali, my lord,
Rashid Ali is the son-in-law.
son-in-law, yes, and his own mother-in-law has
Son-in-law, my lord.
second wife.
I am the nephew of the son, Rashid, my lord.
Yes,
I am the nephew of the arrested accused.
yes, nephew, my lord. Otherwise, all details provided to the present accused Zinnat Ali.
What is the material against the applicant?
The present, because, my lord, he has all these, my lord, transfer of money is committed by the present accused. The first accused, Rashid Ali, provided all details along with the bank details, and thereafter, my lord, after taking all these details.
Money has been recovered.
My lord, already recovered.
Money, my lord, here, my lord, allegation is of, my lord, from the complaint received that my lord, total 67,000 as per, my lord, through investigation. As per allegation of the complaint, the entire from since to 24/11/22 to 3/1/21. All these transactions, my lord, taken place. And from the investigation, my lord, it came to light that, my lord, 67,000 transferred to the account of Rashid Ali, my lord. And one another to 20,000.
No, I'm asking from the case diary, is it visible whether the entire amount has been recovered or not?
No, my lord, regarding that entire amount, my lord, not visible.
Then we'll call for updated CD. Tell us whether the entire amount has been recovered.
Yes, yes.
Heard Mr. A. Permanent Marriage Counsel for the applicant, also heard Mr. P. Bhattakur and APP Assam, who has produced the case diary. First, however, from the case diary, it is not clear as to whether the entire amount has
Yes.
already been recovered by the police. In view of the above, this matter is directed to be listed again on 21st of April 2023, so as to enable the learned APP to produce the updated case diary with the above
Till
information.
then, my lord,
Huh?
till then, my lord, I may be protected, my lord. But at least I can express the real fact, my lord, to the investigation agency.
Let it come. When
My
we see.
For 30 application, petitioner is on interim affair, page 9 translated copy, my lord. Case diary was called for.
Yes, case diary received, my lord.
Page 13, my lord.
Okay, my lord, petitioner is already on interim, my lord. My lord, regarding his appearance statement not yet recorded. However, my lord, I contacted the IO, then he informed that accused person appeared and statement
Statement is
recorded.
recorded.
Heard Mr. K.M. Halil, learned counsel for the applicant, also heard Mr. P. Bhattakur, learned APP Assam, who has produced the case diary and submits that the statement of the accused person has already been recorded. First up, after perusal of the case diary, I do not find anything. to
So,
justify.
my lord, there are some incriminating materials is there, my lord, against those, my lord, because the allegation is that during the holy celebration, my lord, those, my lord, these accused persons, my lord, also assaulted some of the police personnel while, my lord, doing their duties, my lord. And my lord, those are the allegations and those, my lord, statement of those police personnel is also available in the case diary.
So
But-
he is also a police person.
The present accused, my lord. No, my lord.
No, informant is police person. I am a
Informant-
government servant, my lord.
He-
You are?
I am also government servant. In fact, my lord, there was procession regarding the Holi. And hundreds of people were there. And this informant rebuked the participants. There were some altercations between them, that is admitted, my lord. But as such, the allegations, and even if such type of occurrence were there, on 8/3 it was happened, and FIR was lodged on 9/3, and informant himself is the sub-inspector of that police station.
So what is the main allegation? Assault of police person?
Yes, my lord, although my lord, on that day, my lord, the present accused person physically assaulted and also, my lord, outraged the modesty of one, my lord, lady police person, that is.
So now you want to take him to custody?
No,
for
no,
what?
my lord, already he appeared, statement recorded.
That's
my
what
lord.
I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Recast it. So and so for the applicant, so and so for the state. Apprehending arrest in connection with Nazira PS case number so and so registered under so and so. The applicant has approached this court by filing the instant application under section 438 CRPC seeking anticipatory bail. After perusal of the materials on record, this court, by order dated 29/3/2023, had granted interim pre-arrest bail to the applicant. Full stop. Mr. Borthakur submits that the statement of the accused has already been recorded. Full stop. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, as well as the case diary, as well as after perusal of the case diary, I do not find any justifiable ground to modify the order dated 29/3/2023. As such, the order dated 29/3/2023 is hereby made absolute. Anticipatory bail application stands disposed of.
Much ado.
19, under item 13.
Let's say the FIR is at page 10, let's say, allegation of breaking the windshield of a car and
Yes, UK doctor, Baki, can you write 20,000 one surety of life amount? Case diary 26/4/2023. Apprehending arrest to write. Yes. please.
May please, your lordship,
Yes.
item number 19, lordships, non-appearance, I am in court number 13, lordships. The Punarest case, lordship, today's second date, lordship, for PD, lordship. Not received, lordship.
What order has been
On
passed?
Friday, lordship.
Yes, on Friday.
Friday, or like Friday, but I'm not coming to court on